Fifth generation chemical compatible biofilm forming biofertilizers by Gujarati Co. What is microbial biofilm? Microbial biofilm are community of microorganisms that gets attached to a living or inert surface. This film is protected by a extracellular glycoprotein, polysaccharides, glycolipids, etc. Let's understand different stages of biofilm. First step is the microbe getting attached to a surface. Then symbiotic microbes start to form colonies around each other. As the colonies grow, a protective layer is formed which is called the biofilm. As the biofilm becomes bigger, the microbes start to detach from each other and new biofilm colonies start to form. Let us see why biofilm is so important for agriculture. As a biofilm is because of symbiotic group of microbes, they start helping plants by performing multiple activities, thereby enhancing the plant growth. In a biofilm, quorum sensing occurs, which means microbes talk to each other, by which each microbe can do multitasking activity, thereby microbial activity in soil is enhanced. Since there is a symbiotic relationship between the microbes in a biofilm and a symbiotic relationship between the plant and the biofilm, whenever there is a stress on the plant, let it be biotic or abiotic stress, this biofilm helps the plant fight the stress better, because if plant survives, the biofilm also survives. As the biofilm microbes can do multitasking, it helps better utilization of the chemical inputs, thereby helping in reduction of chemical fertilizers and improving soil health. Because of the protective layer a biofilm has, it protects itself from harsh environment chemicals, thereby increasing the life of microbes in the biofilm. Let us understand what is chemical compatible biofilm forming biofertilizers. This is a novel concept developed by research of over 2 decades and protected by two patents. First, a microencapsulation patent, and second, a biofilm forming microbial consortia based patent. The biofertilizer consists of four major components: the microbes selected for consortia formation, the process of making encapsulated microbes, the formulation to stabilize this complex consortia, and additives added to initiate uniform microbial growth. Coming to the novelty of these products, because of the encapsulation, this biofertilizer can be blended with any chemical fertilizer, micronutrient, pesticides, and even herbicides, making application easier. Then, once in soil or on plant, they form the biofilm, and this biofilm will protect itself against harsh environment, stress, and also provide broad spectrum activities. All our microbes are protected by three-layer encapsulation technology. Our complex consortia has 80 plus microbes. All our products have been tested and proven to be organic. Also, we have done field trials at farmer level for a decade and in reputed agriculture universities across India on different crops and agroclimatic conditions. The complex consortia is tested for nutrient management and mobilization activities like nitrogen fixation, potash solubilization and mobilization, phosphate solubilization, zinc solubilization, iron mineralization. But the activity of consortia are not limited to only these functions. Coming to some of the PGPR activities, the consortia is tested for indole acetic acid test, amylase activity test, protease activity test, and even KMBA pathway. To understand how this consortia can help in stress management. The consortia is tested for ACC deaminase test, protease activity, cellulase activity, nematicidal activity, as well as self-defense secondary metabolite test for determining how it can elicit ISR and antiviral activities. Lastly, but the most important factor, the soil health. This consortia is tested for the lignin degrading activity, pectin degrading activity, which is a key for decomposition and soil health management. As already discussed, such products are required for easy usage adaptation in agriculture, making sustainable agriculture more